how to reset Binance 2FA Google Authenticator step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset 2FA Google Authenticator on Binance. So the legit solution is from the Binance Help Center or Support Center. So as you can see, so if you've lost access to your 2FA devices and want to reset them, please follow the steps below. In order to protect your account, withdrawals, P2P selling and payment services will be disabled for 48 hours after resetting your 2FA devices. Okay, so first of all you have to visit the official Binance website and click login, and after that enter your email or phone number and click next. Like here you can see, and you will be asked to verify with your passkey on a pop-up window. You have to click cancel and then choose my keys are not available, like this image. My passkeys are not available, you have to choose here, and after that you will be prompted to enter your password to log in. Enter your password and click next. So you have to give your password here and you have to click next. And after that, for example, your email is not available, you can choose email, then click security verification unavailable. So here as you can see, you have to click on security verification requirements, and second option is email, you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on security verification unavailable, and you will be redirected to the reset security verification page. Check the boxes next to the 2FA devices that you have lost access to and click confirm reset. Please check all the 2FA devices you have lost access to. So let's say you have lost the access to your phone number. You have to just click on the phone number, and if you just lost your authenticator apps, click on authenticator app, and then you have to click on confirm reset, and you'll see a pop-up window. Read it carefully before clicking confirm. In order to protect your account, that's I have already told you. Are you sure you want to reset your account? Security methods. In order to protect your account, withdrawals, P2P selling and payment services will be disabled for 48 hours after you make this change. So you have to click continue for that, and after clicking continue you will be prompted to verify via your other available 2FA devices, like complete all the security verifications. Like here as you can see, security verification requirements, you need to complete all of the following verifications to continue, like there's passkeys, facial verification, and you can also see enter a new phone number and or email address. You have to click get code to verify, then click submit, and you can just add your phone number here and click on submit. You can also add new email and give the email and verification code here, and you can submit. When you see the following screen, it means that your reset request has been submitted. Please wait for the system to process it. So request is submitted. If the reset is successful, you can log in with your new 2FA devices. And here as you can see, security methods reset successfully. If you see application denied, you would need to double check your available 2FA devices and try again. So if your request is under review, it means that a dedicated team is reviewing your request and may take up to 48 hours to process. So please wait patiently, and once the review is complete, you will be notified via the new verified email address. You can also come back to this page through the security verification and unavailable, a link to check out the results as you can see. And for more details on how to enable or change your 2FA devices, please refer to the respective two-factor authentication FAQ articles of the Binance official support team. So that's it for today. See you on the next one.